guys. So all you're gonna do is take this off. I think it's a 12 or a 14, and then you just pop those two off, and it will come out. Yep, it's a 14. Nope. Yeah. See how old that thing is? All right. And that is it. Come on now, man. Like, look at that. It's perfection. I got the tire off, and we're gonna be loosening this bolt, which I think is a 17. The two 17s right there. We're gonna loosen this castle nut, pull the thing out, and then it should slide out, no problem. And I'm gonna have to beat the hell out of this spindle to pop that out. So this will be a little bit of work, but it'll be easy. All right, and that's the pin. Just pull that out. Try to make it sure it's as straight as it can possibly be. Don't bend it or you'll have problems with it. Here's the 17. Go in there and just loosen it. There ain't really much to it. And she's loose. Now you might have to fight that ball joint. Just don't be scared. Just find something to pry it, like a screwdriver. Pry that, it'll pop out, and then you're good to go. All right, guys? So stick a screwdriver in there, just wedge it, it'll pop right out. Hit on top of the spindle arm. Bang, 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 and that'll crack it loose, because sometimes it gets stuck in there, so you just gotta crack it loose. If you can't get it off, go to Harbor Freight, and for like $10 they have a ball joint press. Best thing I ever bought when I ran into issues with this car, but I don't need it, so it's good. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys on here just because you're not gonna be able to see under there, and I just wanna get it done. Loosen these. If you want, keep the ball joint on. Loosen them first if you can. If not, lower it, whatever you gotta do. But loosen these, and then that'll free it, and then you can kind of just wiggle it around. If not, you gotta take the damn coilover off, but I'm not trying to do that. There you go. I didn't want to take the coilover off. You guys can do that if you want. I did not feel like doing that. Oh yeah, boys. Looking real good. Just repeat. Like I said, just put everything back together, you guys. That's all you have to do. I appreciate you guys for watching. I over-torqued the ball joint. I guess you only have to hand tighten them, that's what the lock pin's for, and now the ball joint's spinning. So don't be like me, guys. Yeah, I over tightened this with the impact, not even realizing it when it was off the car showing you guys. So just be wary of these castle nuts. Just tighten them enough to get it up there snug, and you know what I mean, put the pin through. But yeah, it's in. Nice and good. Probably hit this a little bit with a wrench and tighten them up just to be safe, you know what I mean? But she's in there, so that's how you do it. All right, boys, she's done. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what you think.
Okay.